This is how you do sonotubes. We're roped into doing a little chicken coop for my brother, and we need some sonotubes to support some trusses, so we're going to show you what we did to make that work. When you go to mark around your sonotubes, mark them about every 4 to 6 inches so that you can get a nice good straight cut. You want a great cut for when you pour later so that you can have a nice slick top. This is the best way that we've seen to mark these, so you can know exactly where you need to dig. We're going to use a 12-inch auger with our 12-inch sonotubes. The best and easiest way to get the rest of your crud out at the bottom is to shovel out the big stuff and then vacuum out the little stuff. But either way, you're going to want to vacuum. You're going to want to vacuum to clean it out the rest of the way. It's 10 times easier than that, than to nitpick every single little rock out. And also, it's going to make it 10 times easier if you have a spot that you cannot get your auger to, or if you don't have an auger at all. The vacuum will make it so you can dig out every single hole and have it precise and pristine.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh yeah, right there, nice and clean. Doesn't that look good? Alright, so if you can't get your auger over to where your sonotube is being dug at, you can literally dig it out by hand with the vacuum. Set your sonotube in place and begin vacuuming. If you have a lot of hard dirt, break that dirt up and vacuum it right out. We use an 8-foot level here so that we can make sure we're at the right depth.
Good. 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 We're deep enough. I got it.
Get yourself a screw gun, 3-inch, 2.5-inch, just some long screws so that you can set these exactly where you want them. Grab your level, lift it up to the space that you want it, make sure your Sonotubes level, and screw that in at 2 or 3 spots.
That's it. Come on.
We're going to fill in all the sides of these Sonotubes. You can tell they're a tad loose. We're going to fill it in with road base. That'll help keep your Sonotube stay right there in place. All right, it's mud day, so we're going to fill in on all these Sonotubes. There's a driveway we were doing this day, so it worked out perfect so that we could get a little bit of extra mud to do these Sonotubes. The fastest way to figure out how many yards you need is to just get a concrete calculator. Just search it up on Google. We're going to mag these all nice and flat. We're going to use our steel to clean them up and make them nice and flatter. You're going to see that we added some mud here so that you want the center of it to be a little bit higher than the rest, so if water gets on there, it'll run down the sides instead of where these posts are going to be. So if you're going to add posts, what we did was we predetermined where all the posts were going to be at. We marked it on a 2x4. And the reason we did this is because it was going to make it a lot easier and quicker after we poured than to set all these in by hand. This is the first time that we've tried this, and it actually worked really well, and it made things go a lot smoother, and it made sure that all of our stuff was straight. It just took a little bit of time beforehand to measure out exactly where all these were going to be at, where all these posts were going to be at.
What I'll show and what I won't show.
Now we're just going to mark these with our tape. At the end of the tape, you just put it into the concrete to leave yourself a nice little mark. Ooh. Oh, there's a sneeze. All right, here we go to set them in. We're gonna just put them exactly where they look like they are gonna go into place according to our marks. And we're going to shake them right into place. We're going to go to our other side of our chicken coop. We're going to Do that once more, and then you'll notice we went back and did this to the other side too, but these 1-inch furring strips, we slipped them right underneath our board to hold all of our anchors right into place. Perfect. That's our video on how to do sonotubes, a couple tips, tricks, things that you can do. It'll make your job a lot smoother, easier, so your build can be straighter. If you have any suggestions that would have made this better, just put them down in the comments below.